All right. Getting ready for the day, y'all. This is what I do to get ready for the day, for the pickup and delivery services and everything like that. I always like to keep my blankets nice and folded up for the for presentation, and plus it just keeps my truck from being so cluttered. So that's what I like to do. So I set them up right there. I'll be right back. Sometimes I tend to get busy, and I'll do like a night project, and when I get finished, I just throw them in the back seat, and I'll say in the morning I'll fold them up, and that's usually what I do. And like I said, it'll be in my back seat, and it'll take a lot of space if they're not folded up and rolled up like I have it over here. So it's just very simple to do, not hard at all. Ain't gotta be perfect. As long as they're rolled up. So that's pretty much what I do to keep the truck organized and clean. I'll show you the next thing that I do. With the straps, I fold them up too. I roll them up nice and neatly. So when I go to a project and I pull those bad boys out, it keeps me looking professional. It ain't all messy, all tangled up and everything. And it's just good for business. It's good for the customer too. They see that you're well organized and you know, just have your stuff in order. It's always a good thing for your customers to see that. And this is also good for the worker that is helping you for the day. They see how clean you are. They're gonna try to do it. They're gonna try to have it the same way you had it. They're gonna fold it up for you. They see that you're organized. They're gonna be organized for you. Make sure that you have it the way you want it. I'm telling y'all, being organized is, man, key. The number one key to business is being organized, keeping your truck clean. Also, and what I mean by keeping your truck clean, not just the inside of your supplies, you want to keep your truck washed too. Keep the truck washed as well, so that when you pull up to somebody's house, you ain't got a bunch of dirt on the body of the truck. See, your straps is not all, it's all messy. So what I do is I fold it up, just like so. Set them to the side, bada bing, bada boom. And you don't have to have expensive straps either for pickup and delivers. And not only that, I have all those supplies when I have my big projects. Doing pickup and delivers gives you something to do and put money in your pocket and keep your business afloat as you're growing. That's what's cool about pick up and deliver. So. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Tuck that in right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Now that is clean, organized, and professional. You also want to have a net like this. It makes it a lot easier to pick up lightweight items like poetry pictures or anything like that. Plus, if you're at the end of the tailgate and the tailgate got to be open, you can block everything from coming out. You can also put a blanket right there and then put the net over that. Oh my goodness, nothing will fall out of the truck. So this is really important right here. It's hard, you can't fold that, so I just throw that in the back. Okay. And this is pretty much it. And then you just organize it in the back of the truck and you're good. You're all set to go. You're ready for business. Ready to go make some money. I hate when I make a mistake like that.